Hello food lovers, today I want to share with you the best method of melting Nutella because even though it's easy, many people are doing it wrong as they warm up Nutella using heavy cream or milk or butter. Believe me, it doesn't work. All you need to do is to add boiling water in a medium bowl and introduce the Nutella recipient into it. Stir until it has the desired texture. The best part is that you can repeat this process with the same Nutella over and over again. I hope this will help you. More tips and tricks will come. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.